Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj and you're watching KDB Versatile. In this video, I will talk about the leaks of upcoming smartphone in 2019, the Nokia 9 PureView. So let's start. Nokia 9 PureView has got to be one of the most anticipated smartphone of 2019. This time around, we got to see the real-time footage of the phone. The Nokia 9 PureView is expected to arrive early in 2019, though it's remained to be seen which system of clip will fuel the device. The phone was supposed to be launched with the Snapdragon 845, but considering that the Snapdragon 855 has been already announced, so if we talk about in the specifications, so the Nokia 9 PureView will be probably sport a rather larger display. Its size is expected to be at least 6 inches, while the company will probably utilize an 18:9. So the device will be including at least 6 GB of RAM through its variant, with the more RAM also a possibility. So if we talk about the battery, so the battery of at least 4000 mAh, while the phone will be water and dust resistant, as well as the Android P will be served out of the box on the device. So it's also worth nothing, but the Nokia PureView is a part of the Google Android one. So this is the bad news for you. So all in one, the Nokia 9 PureView will be your typical flagship phone. So you can say that this is a typical flagship phone. So also company will be had of the utilize the Snapdragon 855 in the order to make it happen, as well as Snapdragon 845 will be seen outdated early the next year. So for the show, especially considering this phone will be supposed to be the next big thing for the company. So this is all about the Nokia 9 PureView. Hope you enjoy this video, and I will meet you on the next video with the full specifications of Nokia 9 PureView. So goodbye.